Hi guys, I went out this morning to get bread for breakfast. Lucky enough, I got more than what I expected. Okay, more than what I expected. Yes, I got a lot of bread for €1. They call it promo. So they brought out a lot of bread this morning at the Lidl supermarket. Okay, so of course I rushed it. Yes, I rushed it, but the thing now is I don't need a lot of bread. We don't even have space in the freezer to store it. Yes, I know we can actually keep it in the freezer, but we don't need this lot of bread, you know. Then the other thought, let's make breadcrumbs, like breadcrumbs. So now you're going to watch how we made our homemade breadcrumbs, or how we are going to make our homemade breadcrumbs. Two of this bread would have gone for €1, but we got all this for €1. Hi, welcome. This is Eka Farm. We are Nigerians living in France. We love food, so we try different food we've eaten before, food that we've not eaten before. We just love food in our channel. So you're welcome. So today we are making this bread with Esther and Camilla. Camilla is 6 years and Esther is 7 years. They love assisting in the kitchen. So we are making breadcrumbs from the bread we bought. The first thing, we had to cut the bread into pieces, and both of them assisted. The next thing I heard was like, I'm stronger. This one was like, I'm stronger. You can see I have muscles, I crushed all the bread. Okay, so we put the bread inside the oven. We just want to dry the bread so we can blend it, turn it to powder. And a few minutes later, I brought it out to see if it was dry enough, like try to crush it again. Some of them were not too dry, so I had to crush them again, return them into the oven, and brought it out after a few minutes. Yes, you can see a lot of bread we have here, and I'm going to use this small blender, to blend all of them. Time to put into the oven again. After some minutes in the oven, I brought it out, and you can see the breadcrumbs looks really dry. So it is time to blend the bread. I did this repeatedly until I finished the whole of this bread. And now we have our homemade breadcrumb. A lot of it. And you can imagine how much this would have cost us. I actually put them back into the oven after blending them, so that I can store it in the house for some time. and you can see so dry. In our next video, we'll show you how we make use of those breadcrumbs. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share our videos. God bless you. Thank you so much.